Well, the biggest thing, working with the other products I have is that our products are so much more well-rounded design-wise. There's no shortcomings in the process of using them. It's been well thought out. A lot of machines, competitors' machines, their mounting systems are like half of what you really need to mount it, and they leave it up to the customer to figure out how to do that other half. And our machines come complete, ready to go. We have the documentation, we have the training programs. Everything's just very well rounded and thought out. I'm proud that the machines are made in the US. I'm proud that I work here, and if people ask me about them, I'll tell them, hey, we build a good quality product at a reasonable price, and we get it to you on time. So I think that we're probably the best in the business without a doubt.